States of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Welcome to Study Sketch. Today, we are going to dive into the basics of the three main states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases. Understanding these states helps us comprehend how different materials behave and interact in our world. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. It exists in three primary states: solids, liquids, gases. Each state has distinct characteristics based on the arrangement and movement of its particles. Solids. Definite shape. Solids maintain a fixed shape and do not flow. Definite volume. They have a fixed volume and cannot be easily compressed. Particles. The particles in a solid are tightly packed in a fixed, orderly arrangement. They vibrate in place but do not move around. Examples: ice, water in its solid state, with molecules arranged in a crystal lattice. Iron, a metal with tightly packed atoms that make it strong and hard. Liquids. Indefinite shape. Liquids take the shape of their container but do not have a shape of their own. Definite volume. They have a fixed volume and are not easily compressible. Particles. The particles in a liquid are close together but can move past each other, allowing liquids to flow. Examples: water. At room temperature, water flows and takes the shape of its container. Oil. Another common liquid that can pour and spread out. Gases. Indefinite shape. Gases take both the shape and volume of their container. Indefinite volume. They can be compressed or expanded to fill the available space. Particles. The particles in a gas are far apart and move freely in all directions. Examples: oxygen, a gas essential for breathing, found in the air. Carbon dioxide, a gas produced by respiration and combustion. Changes in states of matter. Matter can change from one state to another through physical processes. These changes are usually caused by adding or removing heat. Melting, solid to liquid, for example ice to water. Freezing, liquid to solid, for example water to ice. Evaporation, liquid to gas, for example water to steam. Condensation, gas to liquid, for example steam to water. Sublimation, solid to gas without becoming liquid, for example dry ice to carbon dioxide gas. Deposition, gas to solid without becoming liquid, for example frost formation. Fun fact: plasma. There's a fourth state of matter called plasma, found in stars, including our sun. Plasma occurs at extremely high temperatures and consists of ionized gas with free electrons. Practical examples and applications. Water cycle demonstrates the changes between states of matter: evaporation, liquid to gas, condensation, gas to liquid, and freezing, melting, solid to liquid, and vice versa. Cooking. When you boil water, it changes from a liquid to a gas, steam, and when you freeze juice, it turns into a solid, ice. Conclusion. Understanding the states of matter helps us grasp how different materials behave under various conditions. It's a fundamental concept in science that explains many natural and man-made processes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study Sketch for more educational content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.